I'm not ready for this, okay? Well, what do I tell her?
Just tell her the truth. Tell her you're not ready.
I could do that. Well, what if she gets upset?
Then you distract her with a Barbie doll.
Or you could just,
What the hell are you doing?
What the hell am I doing? You just broke my fridge.
What? How do you know it's even broken?
Oh, you think I don't know what breaks my fridge? Excuse me. Well, what do you know? Broken. That'll be $400.
Joey, I saw you push him.
You pushed them.
Joey, I did not break this, okay? That has been broken for a while.
Chandler, remember I told you about our fridge?
Uh-huh.
I still haven't gotten the check for your half yet.
Do not give him any money.
I'm not talking to you. You broke my fridge.